yeah. Hey y'all, what is up? Welcome back. It is me, Rachel. Today's video is going to be a moving vlog. Today is October 7th, 2024, and I am moving apartments. I have a few things in the back. I'm waiting to pick up my keys. We're about to head there now, and I'm like a little stressed out, honestly, because it's a lot going on. Hey y'all, so it's crunch time. I'm gonna see how much I can pack in the next like 4 hours. Movers are coming tomorrow, and I want to pack as much stuff as I can because I am only a girl. I want as much stuff to be cleared out as possible by tomorrow so the movers can just take it all. So I'm getting the clothes out of my closet. I'm doing that like garbage bag trend, and I got these cheap garbage bags from Family Dollar. They're not even cheap. Family Dollar is literally more expensive than Target, and so I was only able to get like a pack of 16, and I already have used 8. So yeah, let's see if I can fit the rest of this in here. If not, it's no biggie, but my goal is to clear this closet out in like the next 30 minutes. So here we go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you, and you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you off. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
Hey y'all, so today has been a long day, long and emotional, but I've made progress. The movers come tomorrow. I still have some work to do before I go to bed tonight. I'm taking a break to go to my boyfriend's basketball game because I just really need to just get out of here. I am like not super duper overwhelmed, just like slightly overwhelmed, like because I've been doing this all day today. Like I literally woke up early to do this. I'm making good progress, so I'm proud of myself, but I have literally had so many emotions today. Like I was literally crying, like, and so I want to show y'all the progress that I've made. So it looks a mess, but we're getting there. So I've emptied out majority of the cabinets. I haven't attacked my like larger cups yet, because that's going to be pretty difficult. But I'm probably going to take that in my car, so that's no biggie. I can like wait a little later for that. I got to clear out my pantry and stuff. I'll take that stuff. I've just been trying to get like the heavier stuff in the boxes for them to take. This is all of my glassware. It's all very fragile, so I'm probably gonna want to take that myself as well. Wrapped up my MacBook. Have boxes here. I took all my decorations down except her. She's probably gonna be the last to go. Took down my infamous mirror. So bittersweet, literally. Bed is still together in my room, kind of, sorta. But took stuff down. Stuff in the bathroom, boxes in the bathroom. Yeah, so probably gonna have a late night today and an early morning, but we're making progress. So I'm gonna check in with you guys tomorrow to let you know how I'm feeling. Cause I'm like all over the place right now. Yeah, bye. Good morning. It's 10. The movers are running a little late, but they're gonna be here a little closer to 11. I got a splinter before 9 a.m. So that's how my day is going. I'm like hot though. OOTD. Moving outfit. Things are going good. We're a little over an hour and a half in, and we're wrapping things up. So yeah, the dust is like making me like sniff hella. Go say hi. She's scared. She's a scary dog. It's literally been the longest day ever, but I made it in here. The girl is cozy. Cheers to the first drink in the place. Cheers to new beginnings. Cheers. I love it. You know they do those people do TikToks where it's my boyfriend does my voiceover, and they do the voiceover.
I'm gonna do your voiceover.
I gotta go back today.
To the apartment?
Yeah.
Why?
Cause I didn't bring no clothes. I got some clothes in a suitcase.
Yeah, you got a whole bunch of the clothes. And you did bring clothes. I don't know why they left the baskets, but you got other clothes.
Yeah, I gotta get the stuff out tomorrow. The rest of the basket. My shirt looks literally so crazy. I need to tie my shirt up. I feel like I work at the zoo. I feel like I look like I work at the zoo. Don't I look like I work at the zoo?
That's funny.
Like I'm a safari worker.
Like zoo shorts, but
zoo shorts. I was wearing these. I've worn these shorts in Africa both times.
Oh, yeah. I can see you working at the zoo. That's my summer job.
I don't like animals.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't. I like my dog. My dog has made me be more of an animal person. Like, before I had Kiwi, I told you that. Before I had Kiwi, I probably wouldn't have touched those turtles. And Belize, yeah. I wouldn't have touched those turtles.
You should have picked what you wanted.
Hey y'all, I'm alive. I don't even know where we are in this vlog because it's everywhere, but today's Friday and I'm in my new place right now. I can't really show you guys too much because it literally looks so crazy. I don't even have real sheets on my bed, but this is kind of what we're working with. Boxes everywhere, but I like ran errands yesterday and I didn't film or anything because I was just so stressed out. Like, I am honestly so tired. I'm trying to make today a good day. I have my walkthrough of my other place today. I still have some stuff to take back over here. So I had movers on like Wednesday, but they didn't take everything because we were running out of time. Like, I originally had 3 hours scheduled and then we went over to like 4 hours and like 4.5 hours about that. And so it was probably because of like how I packed, because like I honestly didn't have all my stuff together when they came. So like while they were packing, I kept making new boxes and new boxes. So like it was like never ending, and so then they just didn't take all of this stuff. So I had like went back over there yesterday and had brought some stuff over here, but I have to clean the place. I went over last night to clean and literally left all my cleaning stuff over here. That blew me. But I was doing like, I was filling the holes in the wall, so at least I got something done. But I'm about to go over there, clean up, get my last bit of things, and then do my walkthrough. And today's Friday. My lease isn't technically up until Sunday. I don't know when I'm gonna return my keys. Like, I can leave it under the door on Sunday, but honestly I just want to wrap it up. Like, if everything is done today, I just want to get my keys today and be done with it. Like, I don't want to keep dragging it. Like, so I'm about to get out of here. And then on top of it, I've been working this week. The only day I took off was Wednesday. And like, I'm super busy at work and all of that, so like that's blowing me. Then like this new package room thing, like it says I have packages delivered, but I can't find them. So like, I just feel so chaotic. Then on top of it, the water in the fridge isn't working, so I'm thirsty. And yeah, so, and that's wraps. Been cleaning my off because I'm trying to get my deposit back. This is the only stuff I have to take. The stuff that was in my fridge and my desktop, and that's it. And I got the stuff in the freezer too. But that's wraps, y'all. That's it. That's the end of the era. I definitely am feeling like Will Smith right now in an empty house. Yeah, at this point I'm kind of like, and I'm giving y'all my raw emotions and stuff. And right now, how I'm feeling, I'm ready to be done. Like, I was thinking I was gonna come over here over the weekend because my lease is technically over on Sunday, but depending on what he says when he walks through here, I'm packing the rest of the stuff up in my car and that's it. I don't want to drive over here no more. That's it. Because I want to start unpacking at my new place. Like, my new place has boxes and I'm just ready to wrap it up. This is definitely a lot faster compared to when I moved in here, because I literally was moving stuff back and forth from my dad's house for like 30 days. And like, I kind of limited it to like a couple like days, like 3 or 4 days. That's what I've limited it to. So it's not bad, but I'm ready to be done. Like, so I'm about to take the rest of the stuff to the car. And then that's it. We're out of here. Oh, very much bittersweet, but. And that's wraps. The end of a wonderful era.